10, and having read through it twice, we should see use a pretty simple cumulative future value problem where we've got three different investments that we're taking advantage of, and we're just trying to figure out what those future values will be so we can add them up and get to the answer for how much will I have in time. So in the first one, we're going to make it a negative $400, and we're trying to figure out the future value when we're making payments every quarterly, and those quarterly payments are zero, but what that tees us up for is an understanding of making sure that the interest rate is going to be listed quarterly. And all the interest rates for us were listed at 3.2%, so we'll fix that right there. And then this first one is going to invest for 160 quarters. So let's go ahead and take a look and copy these two things down because those look to be the exact same in terms of we're going to have no payment for a 3.2% quarterly interest rate for investment number two, which investment number two is going to invest for 152 months, and the investment there is going to be that negative $4,000. And then lastly, our third investment, we're going to take this time and invest a negative $40,000, ask what it grows, when again, it has a quarterly interest rate and payment that were the same as up above. So I can just copy those, paste them over. And then the last one's going to invest for 120 quarters. All right, so using the basic future value formula, when we have a rate and a number of periods and a payment, and then a current present value, there's that giant number of 1.7 million. If I invest $40,000 and it grows by 3.2% per quarter, I mean, that's a pretty fat interest rate, right? That's, per quarter. It's like earning almost 13% a year, which is pretty significant. Let's drop it in one more time. Up here equals future value, 3.2 per quarter. This one's got 152 with no payments, but we're investing that 4,000. And because we laid it out the same, we should be able to go ahead and just paste that one there and make sure that our formula picks itself up so that our total future savings will be the 61 plus the 480 plus the 1.75 million, which tells us you're sitting on almost $2.3 million if you're to execute an investment plan like listed in this problem.